Hey everyone, today I want to walk you through installation of a mod for Code 2. It's a mod I developed called CheatMod. Alright. So there's two requirements. You're going to need UE4SS, which I get from GitHub on the releases page, just the release version will work. And you're going to need to download the mod from the files page on Nexus mods, and both of which I've already done. And so the next step, we'll start from Steam. If you go into Steam, I'm going to right click Code 2, go into Manage, Browse Local Files. From here, Code 2, Binaries, Win64. This is where you install UE4SS. So click Control-C for a copy. I go back into my downloads and I extract UE4SS into the specified directory. And then paste it in there, click Extract. Once that's done, we can confirm UE4SS is installed. We can go into the mods directory. This is where we install our mod. So next things, downloads the CV2 mod you got from Nexus, extract all into the mods directory. And once you have the mod installed, we must enable it in mods.txt. So there's specific instructions. You have to disable Cheat Manager Enabler mod, and you have to enable CheatMod. This is CheatMod 1, Control S for a save, and then we can close this all down. CheatMod is now installed in Code 2, and we're going to go ahead and launch the game and do a quick demo. Right, for the main menu, we can sanity check our installation by just using the tilde key. We can see it opens the console, and we'll run the CheatMod command just to ensure that the CheatMod's in and it expects, and it gives us the output we expect, and we can see all our commands. Alright, let's turn this down. And what we'll do is we'll just continue my game, and it should be fine. Alright, so we can see, and we're here at the ceiling spire. First things, let's note our base values. Right. So you can see it's a base level weapon, 258 attack, normal speed, likely just normal gameplay. Okay, and then enable cheats. We can see the always special Bloodsuck skill. Let's demo it. You can attack from anywhere. It's nice for like passive enemy radar. That's kind of what I use. Like, you know, if you're kind of, and you can see the fast jumps. You can see it. I'll highlight them. But this, you can explore the insta kill, fall death. I kind of removed that. Set the abyss depth to 90,000. So you don't just die falling off a cliff now. It's kind of free exploration. You'll see we got top of this building, no problem. You can set the movement speed as fast as you want, really. You can see the jump Z velocity, the jump height stays the same. So we have infinite jumps. If you set it higher, there is a command I added, so you have the ability to set this higher, but it can cause some instability in the game. So we can test it out though. Choose custom jump Z velocity, right? The commands in the docs, and then if you rerun your fast movement 8, instead of the 3x jump, you can get an 8x jump. And here's an enemy, and we can test out our cheats. And then, there you go. So you see the health bar will disappear at times, which I think is fine. You can see from our initial enabled cheats, our attack, we have the set scaling 999, right? It goes up 368. Then we can kind of play around and see, right? And then it's on a 15-second refresh, so 831. So our scaling's working. We'll add a few more. And then fast move is kind of fun, but now we got 60,000, right? And effectively, we can one shot. It's cool, but and then you can always change it back, right? If you're having a hard time or you just kind of want to play around, go back 999 and give it a little bit to tick, because like I said, it's on a 15-second refresh loop. But yeah, if you jump too far too long, the game will snap you back, which is something to be aware of, right? So let's test it. And if you're using custom jump Z velocity, yeah, you can cause like infrequent crashes. It just happens, but it doesn't happen often. There's what happens. You kind of snap back, right? And you kind of want to know what that is, right? You know, we can even try for the last demo, right? Just kinda, you'll see. There's really no limit if we set it to 20, right? Eventually, the game engine though snaps you back. There's other commands you can try. Noclip, for instance, that'll get you through a door, through a locked area. If you don't have the key, for instance, be careful walking through areas that haven't loaded yet, right? But the noclip seems to work. See, we can walk through here. Like if you're in a dungeon, noclip is great. If you're not in a dungeon, yet and you walk through, the assets might not load. When noclip is on, it's kind of like you're just flying too, so you can just walk around from where you were. So if you're at a high spot, you can go through the entire map. And then fast movement also works with noclip. So fast movement 20, and you know, we can go off into the distance. So that's it. That's the mod. Thank you for watching. Thanks for downloading, and have fun.